Welcome to Network Boats, and today we'll be counting down our picks for the top 5 best kayaks for beginners. Let's begin. Number 5, Perception Pescador Pro 10 Fishing Kayak. If you're looking for a fishing kayak that was made with the beginner in mind, look no further than the Perception 10.0. Sitting at 10 feet in length, this sit-on-top kayak tracks well, but isn't too long, making it pretty easy to maneuver. Weighing in at only 52 pounds, it's a lightweight kayak that can hold up to 325 pounds. Also, even though it's only 10 feet in length, it has ample storage, with 2 dry storage compartments, one at the bow and one right behind the seat that is smaller. Some other great features include a comfort seating system, which makes paddling very comfortable, molded-in footwells, a tank well, and a paddle keeper that is molded into the side of the yak, which will hold the pedals if you get tired. Overall, the Perception 10.0 is a great beginner kayak that is extremely comfortable and offers great stability. So, if you're looking for a comfortable kayak that's easy to maneuver, you can't go wrong with this one. Number 4, Dolphin Aruba 10-foot sit-in kayak. If you're in the market for a sit-in kayak, the Aruba 10 is a great beginner kayak to start with, packed with an adjustable back pad for support, along with adjustable foot braces based on your height. This kayak is able to fit your body type for increased comfort. The Aruba 10 is also built with plenty of storage, with a portable accessory carrier and a back storage compartment that is tightly sealed, so no water can get in. In the front of the vessel, you'll notice 2 cup holders that are perfect for sodas or a relaxing beer if you so choose. As far as the build goes, it's made with high-quality polyethylene, so it's able to handle underwater obstacles and run-ins with your occasional rock or two. One thing you won't get hit with often, though, is water, because the Aruba 10 comes with a spray-deflecting collar which will keep you dry. When it comes to tracking and stability, the Aruba 10 has a narrow stern and bow, which helps to keep it on track, allowing it to slice through the water. Also, because the vessel is 30 inches wide and comes with a flat bottom, it's very stable, which is good for beginners. Overall, the Aruba 10 is a great buy for those wanting a solid sit-in kayak that they can take out on relatively calm waters. Due to its lightweight and great tracking ability, this is a solid beginner kayak for those looking for a little fun in the sun on the weekends. Number 3, Intex Challenger K1 Kayak. If you want a durable yet affordable one-person kayak, look no further than the Intex Challenger K1 Kayak series. This inflatable kayak is a great choice for those just starting out and looking to make some solo trips out on the water. Made of welded material, this model will work great for any lakes or slow-moving rivers. The puncture-resistant vinyl, 2 separate air chambers, and inflatable I-beam floor give this kayak a solid construction for the price point. There's also a cargo net at the front of the kayak for extra storage space for your things. Included with the kayak is an 84-inch paddle, hand pump, as well as a repair patch. Measuring a total of 108 inches and weighing only 27.2 pounds, this is one of the smaller kayaks on the list. It's also not ideal for bigger individuals as the maximum weight capacity is 220 pounds. This is a great value pick for those that want to get started in kayaking but don't want to break the bank. While this is a durable kayak and an excellent buy for the money, keep in mind that you aren't paying that much, so don't expect the world. If you just want to dip your toes into the water before making a big investment, you can't go wrong with the Intex Challenger K1. Number 2, Wilderness Systems Pongo 125 Recreational Kayak. Perfect for fishing, or if you just want to cruise around, this sit-in recreational kayak is our top-rated overall kayak. Specifically built for flat water kayaking, the Wilderness Pongo 125 comes with a modest deck rigging and is perfect for rivers and lakes. If you're big into bass fishing, this would be a great choice, and is what many anglers use along with the top-of-the-line fish finder for the ultimate experience. Made of polyethylene material, it has great durability and is economically sound, lasting a long time if taken care of properly. Weighing in at only 49 pounds, it's extremely lightweight, making it easy to transport or carry if needed. Due to the multi-chine hull, you'll notice that this kayak is very efficient in the water and offers excellent stability no matter what level paddler you are, beginners included. This is a premium-built kayak with a great name behind it. The only real downside we could see would be the price, as it might be a bit pricey for some beginners. However, if you want a kayak that will last for years to come, this is a great choice. And number 1, Intex Explorer K2 two-person inflatable kayak. The Intex Explorer K2 two-person kayak is very easy to store, as it deflates and folds up for compact storage. The kayaks are made from durable PVC material that is thicker and puncture-resistant, making them durable enough for open water. The paddles are also made of a lightweight aluminum material with comfortable foam handles. It comes in 2 striking bright colors, red or blue. The best thing about this kayak is the fact that it inflates to 7 feet 6 inches wide by 16 feet 3 inches long, giving you plenty of room to paddle around with a friend or family member. It also comes with adjustable air valves, so you can easily inflate the boat when needed and even adjust the air. When it comes to beginners, the Intex Explorer K2 is one of the best choices because it's very stable and can hold up to 2 people. The kayak also comes with a repair patch kit in case the boat accidentally gets punctured. Overall, the Intex Explorer K2 is a great choice for beginner kayakers. One great feature that the Intex Explorer K2 comes with is 3 separate air chambers, so that if one of them gets punctured, the other 2 chambers will still be inflated and be able to get you to shore safely. Overall, the Intex Explorer K2 inflatable kayak is perfect for those wanting something simple that they can take out on calm waters and enjoy on a sunny day. Also, if you live in a small apartment or don't have anywhere to store your kayak, going with this inflatable is perfect if you're just starting out. And this completes our list of the top 5 best kayaks for beginners. Which one do you think is number 1? Let us know in the comments section below. For more, subscribe to our channel and check out some of our other popular videos.